The potato plants, once green and full, have yellowed and fallen over. Hopefully that's a good sign. It means they're ready to harvest. I planted these first earlies back in early March. So we're about 13 weeks now. This year I'm trialing jute bags alongside my raised bed, both planted on the exact same day. The weather in Ireland this year has been a lot. Either record-breaking heat and sun or completely saturated. We even had some potato blight conditions forecasted, which had me a bit worried. You can see some black spots on the raised bed plants here. I'll be keeping a close eye on those. But the plants in the jute bags, they grew noticeably faster and they've already yellowed and fallen over. Let's see what's underneath. One of the best things about these bags, harvesting is so easy. Just open the hatch at the bottom and gently rake through the soil. There's something genuinely satisfying about this. Good healthy potatoes, 3.5 kilograms from these 3 bags. I'm really happy with that. I think the jute bags are the way forward for me. Easier to harvest, faster growth, and they're reusable. And honestly, just a bit more fun. I'll be doing a follow-up on the raised bed once the plants are ready for harvesting.